Hi everyone. Today we are going to see how we can connect PostgreSQL database using Python. It is an important topic to connect with the database. So let's see how do we need to connect. So first we need to check in our system Python is installed or not. Okay. So I created one database project directory here. So let's see there is no any content and no any hidden folders. Okay. So let's first we need to create a Python environment to install all the package in the environment. Okay, so first we need to create a Python environment .env. So using Python 3-m which define modules venv and module environment name .env. So it will create .env directory in current project which is hidden. Okay, so here you can see .env directory is created, and when you perform ls not so because .env hyphen it will show that hidden directory also. Okay, so let's activate that environment. So env/bin. So for the Mac and Windows it is same. For the Mac and Linux it is same, and for the Windows you need to look at how we can activate that environment. So there is you just need to go inside the environment, script inside and activate .bat file and execute that. The environment will be executed in the Windows and all the commands will be the same. Okay, so here you can see .env environment is created. Let's clean that. I just need to install that pip install pg2, and so here you can see that Postgres connector is installed, which is a psychopg2. So we can see what's the package installed in our Python environment. So all the package will list around. So there is pip and psychopg2. Okay, so let's create connect db.py. Okay, and first we need to import that installed package psg2, and we need a database connection string. So let's dbconfig. So we will map that connection string into a Python dictionary. So here we need to define db name. Suppose my db. Okay, and user is airflow, password airflow, host will localhost. Okay, and then we need to create a connection, and there I need to define some port, or let's run that on the same port. So using port we can define like that 5432. Here is comma missing. Okay, in the try block we need to define database connection always, because might be sometimes connection fails, so that exception should be handled. Connection equal to connect dbconfig. So we can also check that all the details how we can configure using that package. So just copy that and quick install. So here you can see we can also use that hyphen binary. If that is not works, then we need to use, and like that we can also perform some test cases. So I just explain it. Let's see how we can configure. So first we need to connect that using that database configuration dictionary. Then if the connection happen, then it will print connected to PostgreSQL. If there is some error, it will print that error. Finally connection will close. So at the end it will close that connection and print that connection is closed. So let's run that. So it's saying that port failed, role airflow does not exist. Okay, let's see in our database. So there is my db, that is owner is airflow. Let's see that connection string 5455. So here I need to provide that port 5455 because this port is mapped with a different one. So here you can see, and there printed connected to PostgreSQL and connection is closed. Okay, so let's perform some operation using that, like create, insert, update, like that. So let's first understand that how do we need to create that cursors. So in the print statement, after the print statement, we can define that create query. Here you can see I define one cursor which help to execute that SQL statements, and it is a create query. So it will create that user, and it will implemented connection.commit. So it will commit all the changes which is required created. So it is required when we perform some operation. So let's see in the database. So we are performing test schema. So let's see in the test schema it should be generated. So here you can see the test user. Inside the test schema there is user created. Okay. So after creating that user, we just need to insert some values. So let's insert some values. So here I define that insert into test.user, username, email, and values in that place. So like that we can give that format, so it will place all the data on that string. Like that we can pass that, and then connection will be closed, cursor will be closed. We just need to commit that. So like that we can perform that operations in the DB. So here you can see that's all.